Hey, welcome back to the channel. So I've had loads of you guys asking me to do a few videos on the Too Good To Go bags. I've never done this before, so this morning I downloaded the app, got it here, and I've ordered a couple to pick up tonight. So we've ordered a Too Good To Go bag from Krispy Kreme. So that cost me £4.65 and it's called a surprise bag. I can collect that between 5:30 and 6. It's just down there, it's not too far. And I've also ordered I've also ordered a Starbucks one. I can collect this one from 4:30 till 5, and this one only costs £2.99. So we're going to go and get them shortly, well, in an hour or so. So I'm actually really excited. I've never done this before. I don't quite know what I'm doing or what I'm asking for when I get there, but we'll figure it out. It'll be fine. So I'll see you guys shortly. Hopefully with 2 bags full of food. Who knows? Okay, so we've just arrived at Starbucks and we're off to get our first Good To Go bag. Exciting. So this was a sweet pastry bag, so it'll be interesting to see what's in here. Right, I'll see you on the other side. Hey, how you doing? I've got a Too Good To Go bag booked for past.
Yeah, speak to guys. Can someone get the Too Good To Go, please?
Do you need my name or I've never done this before. Do I just tap to collect?
Tap that for me. Swipe across at the bottom, and there we go. It's all yours.
Is that it? Fantastic. You have a great day. Bye now. So we've got it. That's very exciting. Lots of tasty treats, hopefully. So we're going to make our way to Cheshire Oaks now and get. Bloody hell! Look at this guy. Easily distracted me. Yeah, so we're off to Cheshire Oaks now to go get our Krispy Kreme stuff. Right, see you shortly. Okay, so we've arrived in Cheshire Oaks and we're en route to pick up our Krispy Kreme surprise box. It's just around this corner, I think. I'm always getting lost these days. Right, see you in a sec. So there's a queue of loads of people getting, which I wasn't expecting, but there we go.
And then swipe across to confirm. Do you have our Krispy Kreme app?
No, I don't. Should I get it at some point?
So basically all you get is the collect points, because they're too good to go to get 100 points for 100.
Okay.
And then after that, you can get free donuts and stuff.
I'll do that next time. Thank you very much. You have a great day. So we've got it. Can't wait to see what's inside of it. Let's head home. See you shortly. Okay, so this is a surprise stop. We was on the app on the way home and we saw there was a Costa surprise bag, so we're just going to call in and get it. £3.50. Let's have a look. It's drive-through only. The door's locked. Right.
Hiya.
Check the address on it.
Yep.
Kinsey Road.
That's us.
Thank you very much.
Swipe to collect.
Thank you.
Yep. That's the last one. Let's go home and open them up. Okay, so we're back. That's exciting, that was. So we went to Greyhound Park, which is just down the road from us. Then we looked over to Cheshire Oaks for the Krispy Kremes. And whilst we were at Cheshire Oaks, I looked into getting the Costa bag as well. So that was only £3.50. So let's start with that first of all. I've not looked at any of this, by the way. My daughter and wife were in the car begging to have a sneak peek of the Krispy Kreme. I was like, no, we're going to unbox them on video for the first time. So anyway, let's do the Costa. I don't know what to expect with Costa. So here it is. So this is a surprise bag and it was £3.50. So we'll pull out the first thing. Okay, so this is a smoked bacon backed with butter. That's all right, isn't it? That's a nice little snack, that is. I wonder how much this would be normally, because I reckon that's got to be at least a couple of quid. Okay, let's go in again. Ah, okay. So this is an all-day breakfast in a toastie with sausage, bacon, egg and ketchup. That feels quite weighty. I reckon it's got to be £2 or £3 by itself, surely. I mean, I don't go to Costa, I'm a Starbucks man, so I don't know what the prices are. But actually, I'll have that for my tea. I reckon that'll be decent, that will. Okay, so I think £3.50 we're already in profit. I think there's one more item left, so let's have a quick look. Roast chicken and bacon. It's another toasty thing. Okay, superb. I'm happy with all this. I reckon my missus will have one of these. I'll have one of these for tea. And we'll probably share this. And that's probably tea sorted. That's right for £3.50. I reckon that's a good start. That's Costa done. Bag's probably worth 30p. We're going to keep that. We love bags in this house. Right, so next we've got the Starbucks one. This is the... Let's just remind myself on my phone. So this was £2.99 this is. And it's called the sweet and pastry bag. Looks big. So they're all individually wrapped by the looks of it. I'm not sure if you can see in there. So let's just get stuck in. So this is the first bag. It's got a bit damp at the bottom. So what's this? Okay. Don't know what it is. It looks like a walnutty cake or something. That looks really tasty. So how much do you reckon? A couple of quid? So bear in mind that we only paid £2.99. I think we're almost in profit already. Right, let's pull out the next thing. This feels round, so I reckon it's going to be muffin based. Yep, absolutely. Look at this. Oh, it's stuck to the bag. Again, it just looks tasty. I'm happy with these so far. I reckon we're also in profit already. I mean, that is the idea. You'd be annoyed if you bought one of these bags and you just about scraped retail. Okay, what's next? So this is the third item. I have no idea what this is. I mean, it's some kind of pastry. I think that's blueberry. But again, it looks tasty. Might take that one to work tomorrow. So on the fourth item here, there's one left after this. But I reckon so far, this is decent. What the hell's this? It's stuck to the bag. I have no idea what that is. Is it like a cinnamon roll, maybe? I'm going to have fun finding out. Okay, last item. So far, the Starbucks one's winning because there's 3 items in there and there's like, what's that? 1, 2... So there's 5 items in here. Don't know what the last one's going to be. Oh, classic. Absolute classic. I love these. More than happy with them. Right. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. It is the Krispy Kreme. So let's just remind myself how much I paid. So I paid £4.95 for this. Now, I think, looking at this, that's a 6 donut pack. But what's it going to be? So my wife loves the glazed ring ones. So if this is 6 of those, it's going to be happy days. I don't. I like the Rocky Roads and stuff. But let's just open up and find out. Right, we're going to show you guys for the first time. Oh, wow. So I'm going to be honest with you. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting all the cheap ones. But that's really, really good. So you guys tell me, are they worth £4.95? I say so. So all in all, I've been really impressed. So we've got some stuff for tea tonight. We've got some desserts and some stuff I can take to work tomorrow. And my wife and my daughter are going to make short work of them. So all in all, I'm happy with that. That's decent. Right, I'm going to end the video and I'm going to let my wife and daughter in to devour all of this. But yeah, happy with that. That's all right, that is. I was fearing the worst, but actually think that's well worth doing. And I would definitely do it again. So I was thinking about doing a video, can I survive off Too Good To Go for a whole week? And actually this gives me a bit more confidence I probably could. Obviously I'd have to do supermarkets and cook a bit, but yeah, let me know if you'd like to see that video. But in the meantime, we're going to call it a day there, and we're going to go away and eat all this. If you're new to the channel and you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe. There's more content like this coming up all the time. I try and do 2 or 3 videos a week. So yeah, please take a chance on us and give us a sub. But that's it from me. You guys enjoy the rest of your day, evening, morning, whatever time you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.